estate. Okay.
It looks painful.
System represents the largest concert-grade auditory setup on the planet. Our team of engineers have constructed beams that evenly distribute sound throughout the venue. These beams possess the capability to manipulate sound, thereby enabling various
What is that?
You will hear a different instrument in each
Ow, what's that spinning thing?
Spotlight 1, saxophone. Spotlight. Excitement for what is yet to come. My area of expertise is creativity. Machine learning democratizes creative expression. Anyone of any age and background can paint, become a director, or build new worlds. The possibilities are endless. Take a look up at our hero wall. Here we can see the manifestation of machine learning, creating patterns and imagery.